Get in there. Yeah, yeah.
Get some in now, cut your act out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. It's just hurt. Trying to make some simple change. I don't want
I wish I had a time machine. Wait, Sophia. No, but okay, because the rupture, because everybody's steps is different. But if we always boom, that motherfucker, we'll be, girl. We made it to Primark, y'all. Get into it. Oh, it's kind of nippy in here. It's a little hot. Hello, how you doing today? Thank you so much for asking. Good. Girl, not the wig child, though. Don't do it. Girl, ooh, wait a minute. Ooh, wait a minute. Mickey House. Ooh. Y'all, okay, you finna shop Pluto. This is so cute. Oh, Pluto. Oh, this is sexy. Hey y'all, welcome back. I ain't vlogged in a second for y'all, but we in Primark right now, y'all. I'm over here by the makeup, and they have some cute ass makeup bags and stuff. Ooh, they got shower caps, y'all. Ooh. Baby, and this lighting in here is giving every the fuck thing you're supposed to have gave. Not this, child. That's so cute. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, that's a Bath Pfizer. Oh, essential oil? The Jasmine essential oil. That's a bath bomb. I thought that was a candle. I am enjoying myself, y'all. And all this stuff is so cute. Ooh. It's for me and these sugar balls. That's cute as fuck, ain't gonna lie. I'll probably pick that up. I'll probably get this. Hopefully don't nobody see me. There's a lot of people up in here. There's a whole bunch of people in here, baby, but hopefully they're not looking at me or paying attention to me. But I'm thinking of getting these, y'all. But we just came from the park, y'all. We just had a smoke session and we was chilling, period. Right, period. I got on my purse. Let me actually try to show y'all my outfit. All right, y'all, let me go because that was a little awkward. People was looking, but it's okay. But yeah, y'all, that's it. I'm just gonna keep looking at stuff, and I will show y'all what I'm looking at as well.
You gonna see, look at their shoe. This a black owned shoe company.
Wow, that's so
These
nice.
like some sensual ones.
Wow.
Like I'll get that to what we do.
Yeah, hell yeah.
$6.
I know this.
Who do you like that?
I know this extra small though. Yeah, we got to come back. This is small. That's beautiful.
It does like a little Minnie Mouse book there, and then they got some
Look at
purses
that
over
big
there.
ass double bag right there, cute as hell. Ooh, wee, what's that? Some shorts.
Lilo and shit right here.
Ooh,
That's cute.
not cute. They got
Oh,
one.
that's cute.
I'm gonna get all three, bro. Okay, y'all, so I'm just shopping with y'all, period. But I got these 3 shirts, y'all. This shirt, I got in a small. This say Mickey Mouse. Then I got this other shirt to match with it, y'all. This is Winnie the Pooh. This is like they Disney checks and beach. And I'm over here having fun. Then I got the last one. This it? Yeah, this it, y'all. This is Snoopy, big. Period. And they cute crop tops, y'all. So I got those 3. But yeah, y'all. And then I still got this stuff, but I think I'm going to, because these exfoliating sugar balls, I think I'm going to just get the toner, see what that's talking about, because I'm really focusing on my skin a lot. But yeah.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this.
Suavemente, besamos.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase these fuels in the night.
Then dip me underway. Fill up my foot, hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. And all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Sophie's about to leave then.
Boo-hoo.
Get y'all inside then. I'm about to come back and just sit here and cry with y'all. Because my friends just left me. Yeah. Just be sitting here really fucking sad. And Tommy wants to keep laughing, but I'm fucking crying and it's so sad here. Don't cry. What the fuck? Damn. I just love y'all so much. But yeah, y'all.
I was nominated, never won a Grammy. But I understand, I'll never understand me.